So anyway, we have purchased some new stuff. There we go, guys. So anyway, we have purchased some new things for some electronic stuff. So what we got is a wireless mic. And I'm going to try it out right here today and see how that works. And then I've got another gimbal which I'm using right now, and that is hopefully going to kind of help with some more stable shots. What else did I end up getting? I guess those were the main two things that I picked up. They were very reasonable. I also picked up a coffee grinder because I want to be able to take it on the canoe trips. And you know, it was like 20 bucks, and it goes on, and you can grind the coffee, and it goes in there, and you end up dumping your coffee down on this end. So that ought to be pretty cool. I want to try that out. I mean, I've tried it already. It's pretty sweet. And again, it was 20 bucks, so that was reasonable. We'll toss that up there. Oh, I ended up getting, these were really nice. I ended up getting a pair of wireless Sony headphones that are really high end, and they ended up, they were $200, and they were closing them out for $75 at Walmart. They were just clearing them out and getting rid of them. So these are really nice for doing some video editing. So we're going to hook up the wireless thing and see how that works and see how that sounds and everything, and you guys can let me know. Let's see here. Yeah, 3-4 days ago I ended up getting my eye surgery, and I don't know if you can see them now. They're a little better today. It's been about 3 days, but you can see by the picture that I took and put on the thumbnail there, you can see how bad it, first couple days were kind of rough, but that's you know, that's just the way it goes. I had to get it done. Now I can, once I get all the stitches out in another week, I can get my contacts in and start wearing my contacts and stuff a little more, and just kind of have a little bit more freedom in that regard. And I guess that's about it. I do want to hook this wireless mic up and get it going and see how it works, and then we can try this thing out. The reviews on it were supposed to be pretty good, so you know, it should do a halfway decent job. We'll hook it up here, and let's see here. You can also hook it up for your phone, and which would be kind of nice, because I could you can film with my phone pretty decent. So I'm going to pull the little wireless mic out here. And this is the little wireless mic. Also comes with a headset, which I don't think that's going to be something that I'm going to really want, but I don't need to have it be all that, because I'm just going to kind of slide it on my inside pocket here. But we'll hook it up and see how it works. So let's see here. All right, that's going to go kind of like that, and that is saying it's 908.5 megahertz. Not sure how all this stuff really works, but we're going to try it out. So let's let me get this let me get this hooked up on here, and we'll see. I'll show you a couple other things that we've got done. All right, I think it's paired up, and I think it's supposed to be working. Yeah, this is all my electronic stuff that I've got, and I think you guys had seen. Yeah, I think you guys had seen that we put the cabinets in here. I put a little thing in there. I might have to adjust out here. It might be blown out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I guess that's not too bad. Let's take a look. So anyway, we're gonna try this wireless mic out, see how it works. We ended up putting a kind of a rack back here, and we took the propane tank off there and put that inside underneath everything, and put some stuff on here. We're going to put some more stuff on there. So we're just trying to get some, you know, make a little more room inside here is the biggest thing. Just trying to get some more room inside the little camper here. A little more room inside the van. So anyway, yeah, let's see how this wireless mic works, and see if we get any decent video or whatnot out of this. And you can see we've had some western winds and stuff, so it's blown all the ice in here. You can see it's kind of blown all the ice in here. And this is the little handheld gimbal that I'm using. I can show it to you here in a little bit. Got a hard south wind. Supposed to be really nice over the weekend. Got the van setting up here. So yeah, I'm hoping this will work. I'm hoping we're getting good audio. It says that it's on. It says that it's hooked up, and it's supposedly I should be getting decent audio. So we'll see how this all works. I'm gonna go ahead and set this back up here, and then jump up front here. All right, yeah. So anyway, yeah, I've got the little wireless device here, and I may end up ordering another one, and then we'll see how this audio turns out. I just think it's going to be so much better for doing these videos and stuff as we're doing the canoeing stuff, as that's coming up in the spring here, and some of our campouts. We can go ahead and throw this on the tripod or on this little gimbal, and we can let it set, and I can walk around and talk and just, again, be wireless and have really good audio for you guys in the upcoming videos and stuff. So I think this is going to really work out great. Trying to think what else I've kind of done. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta give a great shout out to Brian. He sent me this really nice knife, this real nice Mora. Let's see here. Mora knife, nice red handle. They're so sharp. They're such a great knife. So this is going to be nice. I wish I could come up with a leather sheath for this instead of the plastic sheath, but that's all right. So anyway, thanks Brian. This is really nice. Going to be a great knife to use on these trips. And like I said, I think I just ordered a dual fuel Coleman dual fuel little stove that you can use any fuel you want in there, which will be great. And for the camp out, you've seen that I got the tripod done. Let's see, I got some more things I want to order for things I got to pick up a sleeping bag at the store, which I can get that at cost. I got a Tilly hat that I'm gonna pick up at the store because we carry Tilly hats, so I'll get that. And we've got some bug out stuff, some bug out shirts, kind of like these, but they're bug out. They have the citronella in them or whatever, or chrysanthemum or whatever, impregnated within the fabric and everything, so it keeps the bugs away and stuff. So I got a couple of them sitting at the store, so I'll end up grabbing those. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. And just want to try working on it's been so cold. I've been wanting to get out and get a trip on that canoe, but it's been so cold, and every time it's warm, I'm always working. Now this weekend's going to be another really nice weekend. It's going to be like 45 degrees. Like today it's cold, but I want to get some canoeing in, and then as it really starts getting nice, get that thing all sanded down and get that painted with a 2-part epoxy paint. I'll probably order that here before too long. So anyway, that's, I guess, about it for this video. That's all I can think of. I'm just real excited to see how this comes out and how this audio turns out and stuff. What I can show you is I'll show you the little gimbal that I bought. We can pull this off here. And I'll show you this little gimbaled outfit that I picked up. And let's see here, we'll take this we'll take this right off here too. But anyway, yeah, that's the little gimbaled mount that I picked up. That was only like 20 bucks, but it works nice because the camera can go on there. I can do the shotgun mic on there, or in this case, it's you know, this is going to focus on it. Nah, it's too close. But anyway, that's the basically the transmitter that'll go to the receiver. And anyway, that's kind of the ins and outs of that stuff. So yeah, it should be pretty neat. So we'll see how this all comes out and how the audio all turns out. So I'm gonna go get this edited and get it up for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wayne Diaries. Peace out, guys.
Everybody's walking toward the tightrope on a place in a foreign world.